Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see both Nasdaq and SPX with this intraday video where we are looking here at a potential impulse still toward the upside. So we got of course a leading diagonal wave 1, we have the wave 2, we have another 1, 2 here, and wave 3, 4, and a 5 potentially to finish a wave 3 over there. Now, today in the live stream, of course, we mentioned that we might be in a prior scenario to test, of course, those fib level before moving, of course, to those green level. And we mentioned that this might be, of course, a wave 4, and of course, hitting between this box, I would say first, and then moving toward the upside for a wave 5. Basically, we are looking at something impulsive as, of course, retracement toward the upside here, which it might be, of course, your wave 4 finished over there, and you're looking for a wave 5 continuation toward the upside. Unless, of course, the things doesn't take the high and then move toward the downside again, taking the low and moving, of course, for this blue box, which it might be, of course, another scenario here, a diagonal wave 3. That means, of course, you might be in a big wave 1 here as a leading diagonal, wave 2, and of course another impulse here that finished potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished over there as a wave 1, 2, 3. You're looking a little bit deeper for a wave 4 and finalize the thing with a wave 5 over there. So still, of course, a scenario over there still existing until, of course, you take confirmation for higher without taking this low. Exactly. You would like to see a wave 5 continue toward the upside. The target might be between the 23K 405 and the 23K 458. If we move to the SPX 500, on the SPX, we still looking definitely for higher, and of course, yeah, it looks like we got a signal here for a potential wave 4 after having here a potential wave 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and you're looking for a wave 5. Don't forget that this structure as an impulse will bring you, of course, to the area, the blue zone that we are looking at or looking for as a target here. However, don't forget that also by measuring, of course, the wave 1 here, and after this wave B potentially as a zigzag, this impulse, of course, might be not finished yet and taking exactly the 1-to-1 fib level, which is exactly inside this blue box. However, this might be playing, of course, as a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5 for further, of course, more prices. Higher prices, and it might be, of course, something as finishing as a diagonal here, bringing us exactly inside this blue box. So basically, I would say this wave 4 and a 5 still related, of course, to this impulse. Now, if we dive a little bit even deeper on the 15-minute chart and we take a look a little bit, and I know it is very noisy, but we can count here a 1, 2, 3, or potentially even 1, 2, 1, 2. And then having 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3. Even, yeah, invalidation has been given here. So very interesting. I see the gap given exactly here. So I believe the impulse start definitely from there. I'm still, of course, looking what it might be. But I think that this, even all of it can be a wave 1 leading diagonal again. And then wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And then you still need a 4 and a 5 to cover, of course, the 1, 2 over there. So the things are not very clear, of course, on the micro for SPX as usual. But I believe that this is a wave 4 definitely here, replying at least for this wave 2. At least, meaning one more wave 5 can be possible. And possible can be even another one. Looking for double 1, 2 here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. So we're gonna see, of course, I'm expecting the blue box anyway to be hit. So we still in this scenario. We're gonna see, of course, what is gonna be next. If it's gonna shift to be very impulsive, like breaking above this level, above the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning, of course, therefore, this is an impulse 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, guys. Very simple. If we break this trend here, of course, it might be something impulsive. If we stay under it, it might be, of course, a 4 and a 5 ending diagonal. That was it for SPX and Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.